This is a cabinet, 2-shelf, adjustable by moving the clips and the shelves to your liking, with a security lock and key that is removable. You get a spare key. It is a rotatable handle that opens up. You could adjust the heights to your requirements, and you take all your items that you like that can fit on the shelf. It is nice and wide in length and distance that you could put anything imaginable in. We're taking all our stuff off our shelves, things that we need to be in here so we can simply organize. I can have a place for my drill, my chainsaws, put to the side that will close correctly, my socket sets, and more. The unit holds a lot of items and a lot of weights. We have here is 3 gallons of Clorox that simply can fit on top. Once everything is stored away to your liking, all your tools holds a capacity of 120 pounds, while the cabinet we have here measures 31 by 35 and in a depth of 17 inches about. The doors are split to open up, left to right. They're simple and easy to close with everything in. Turn the handle, lock up, and take the key with you and put the spare away. I have a piece of tape and I'm going to label my cabinet tools. I take a marker and I write nice and clear, tools. So when I need to come to my cabinets and I know what I have inside, I simply grab the key and come inside and grab what I need from the cabinet. So if you're looking for a cabinet for your garage and tools needs, the Lisima cabinet, easy to build, easy to set up for your needs in the garage to organize anything imaginable. Screwdriver given, magnetic, easy to build, easy to follow instructions. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.